Before I got the service dog, I never left my house.
Service dogs, I believe they come in as a battle buddy for our veteran.
10 days, 10 service dogs, 10 veterans. Across the United States, the American Warrior Initiative just wrapped up an unforgettable mission, pairing loyal companions with the heroes who've served our nation. It kicked off in Scottsdale, Arizona, where 4 service dogs found their forever partners.
Today, these 3 veterans came with no idea of why they were coming. Your dog training is going to be completely covered by Fairway Mortgage and the American Warrior Initiative.
Then the journey hit the road. From Boston to 3 events in the Chicago area, AWI kept the momentum rolling.
I just want to tell you that the right veteran has come here today, and you are that veteran. This dog, she is going to be 100% totally yours. Coco is going nowhere. Coco is staying with you as your very own service dog. All yours, totally covered by the American Warrior.
Finally, they brought it all home in Dallas by presenting 2 more service dogs, followed by an emotional ceremony marking the official transfer of harnesses from puppy raisers to veterans. These devoted puppy raisers spent over 18 months raising and training the dogs, all with the heartfelt purpose of placing them with deserving heroes.
At least we know somebody's backing us up.
How much Coco has helped in terms of like the PTSD and then having to give her away, that's something I was kind of dreading. This is a huge relief.
From the battlefield to the home front, AWI is proving that no veteran fights alone. With every service dog, every mission, and every heartfelt moment, they're honoring those who've given so much for our freedom. The American Warrior Initiative, where lives are transformed, one dog at a time.